What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys my review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Safari. This pair dropped on March 14th for $100 US or $120 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is neutral gray, kumquat, and desert ochre. And if you couldn't tell from the get-go, this pair is inspired by the classic Safari Atmos Air Max 1. Diving straight into this shoe, as we take a look at the toe box, this is constructed using this canvas in this burnt orange or dark colored tan material. And then surrounding the outer edges of the toe box, here we have your classic Safari print, and we have a Nike swoosh found on the lateral side. This Safari print runs along the entire length of the shoe, and then on the mid panel of both sides of the sneaker, we have this very soft suede. Stitched on top of this, we have this orange colored swoosh on the lateral side, and then on the medial side, this swoosh is done in green. I really like the look of this green swoosh. It adds a ton of pop to the shoe, and it's probably my favorite part of the sneaker. As we move downwards, so we see more of that Safari print, which wraps around the back heel as well. And on the very back of the sneaker, we have this hit of brown colored suede with a green Nike swoosh embroidered on top. As for the laces, these come with an oval shaped black lace, but they also give you a secondary pair of tan colored laces. But between the two, I definitely prefer the look of the black laces. Underneath this, we have your signature padded tongue, which is constructed using this black nylon. At the very top, we have a green tag which has the Nike SB branding done in orange. The inner liner of these dunks is done in this same tan or burnt orange color, and because this is a pro model, we have additional padding around the back Achilles area. As I remove the insole, so the insole color matches the rest of the shoe, and we have Nike SB and Zoom Air branding found on the heel in green. If you look on the back side of the insole, of course, we have your Nike Zoom Air unit underneath the heel, so this adds a little bit of cushioning and impact protection for the sneaker. The upper of these Safari dunks sits atop this off-white colored midsole, and then taking a look at the bottom of the shoe, here we have your standard outsole of your Dunk Low Pro. We have the circular pivot point on the forefoot, along with this exposed foam in the middle, which has Nike SB branding embossed in it. So for those of you guys wondering how these guys fit, so I'm a true size 10, I got these in a size 10.5. This pair runs a bit snug, so I would recommend going up a half size, which is generally the rule of thumb I stick by with most of my SB Dunk Lows. It might be because of this canvas material on the toe box, but for some reason this pair felt a little bit more snug than even some of my leather or suede based SB Dunk Lows. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, these guys feel like any of my other SB Dunk Lows, so it's going to have a very firm feel on feet. You're going to feel very stable and low to the ground, and there's not too much from a softness standpoint, but they're going to be okay for just casual use, and obviously for skateboarding if you guys do skate. So with all that being said, let's lace up these Safari SB Dunk Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Resale prices aside, if I was to compare this pair with the Strangelove SBs and the Travis SBs, don't hate me, but I think I gotta put the Travis at the bottom. I feel like the Safari inspiration really translated well on the Dunk silhouette, and that inspiration was long overdue on the Dunk model. I think that this is a very clean looking shoe, one that I'm very excited to wear and to add to my collection. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the Safari Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Did you guys get a W, an L, or did you guys pass altogether if this isn't your thing? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.